Hi, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today I meet with my friend John because plans have changed. And so we're meeting in a distance, and he wants to show he has a ceramic coating done for his 2014 Model S, and he has done a new, reworked all of the paint and then a ceramic coating for that, and he really likes it. And you are with us this time.
I pressed insane. I went insane.
Hello, and this is my friend John, and he is the owner of the P85, and we are in a certain distance for sure, and be careful with this as well. And he wants to show us his P85. It's a 2013, and they had completely reworked that, renewed that, and coated that car. So when you look at the car, there is that the tires or the were not made, or the rims, they were, I think, was clear coated, but everything on that car, especially this deep Pacific blue, that is one of the first nice colors what Tesla had. And at that time, the colors were really nice. The paint was really nice. And with just a little bit of a reworking it and another ceramic coating on it. And then you see also there is a radar detector for that. So that person who did actually that work, he is here in Arizona in the valley, and he did all of the frames around it, all of the sides of the car, all of the insides of the hatch there, all of the edges there, really in detail. And he worked it for, first of all, a super great price. And then he took all of the scratches out of the car. Then I asked John also to open one of the doors. So imagine this car is 7 years old, and if you look in the inside, he revamped the upholsteries for that. He revamped the sheets, the edges there where usually there is stains from water or remaining water residuals there in all of the portions of that. And you see at that time how great of the paint that was. So at that time, when actually single cars running down the production line, that paint is still great. So this car was running for a while. And you look also here, the inside there, he reworked also the sides there from the front there, also the edges there of the front hood there. Everything was specifically great and nice reworked. And also the chrome was reworked, and everything came bright out of the car. So I really love that car, the original paint for that, and how it came across. Now you have to imagine, I think the price of that car when it was sold was about $120,000, $130,000. And then you can see now, you can appreciate what quality it came across with a really, I almost think, a thicker layer of paint. And I like the Pacific blue as well. It's a darker blue as the today's blue. Today's blue is much brighter. So that car looks like new. And I think he has now 80,000, maybe 70,000 miles on it. Now he shows the radar, what was installed after that. Also the radar detector and the laser scrambler that was in the car. It was from his predecessor, so he didn't want to remove it. But all of the car is really in pristine shape, or he brought it back into pristine shape. That's how a blue P85 should look like. And we wish every good to John, and give the thumbs up. And if you like that movie, please do also thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We have more awesome things to show you on that channel next to karate. That is only temporary. And you will see here that there are actually great things what you can display there. And look at that. Now the car looks awesome, and we wish always a good trip on that nice car for John today and in the future. Bye-bye.
I pressed and say